Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Jeep Wrangler hood latches. First, gather your tools, including a 13mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your Jeep is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. You'll notice each hood latch has two main bolts and a rubber strap. We'll tackle these components step by step to ensure a smooth removal process. Now, let's focus on the upper latch. Using your 13mm socket wrench, carefully loosen and remove the single bolt securing the upper part of the latch to the hood. Once that bolt is out, gently detach the rubber strap from its mounting point. With these two connections free, you can now carefully pull the entire upper latch assembly away from the hood. Moving to the lower latch, you'll find two 13mm bolts securing it to the fender. Use your socket wrench to remove both of these. Once the bolts are out, carefully separate the lower latch bracket from the vehicle's body. Take a moment to inspect the mounting area for any dirt or debris. This ensures a clean surface if you plan to install new latches or perform any maintenance. You've successfully removed one hood latch. Simply repeat these steps for the other side to complete the process. Whether you're replacing damaged latches or upgrading for a custom look, this guide makes it straightforward. Consider new, more durable latches for improved security and a fresh aesthetic. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.